How to fix Snapchat account locked on your Snapchat. So today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go to settings of your phone or your device, then you will open apps or application. Then you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. Now you will search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it and then go to storage and go to the last here, clear data, and click OK and back again, and click force stop and click OK, and then you will back to your home page and click on Play Store and update Snapchat again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.